Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change the speed of your video on Canva. Now Canva doesn't provide you a speed video option, you need to do it on the other way. But I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that without the need of downloading any other external software, alright? If you have Canva, then this is going to work. Now before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you need to take your video out of Canva. For that, you need to download it. So click on share and click on where it says download. Once you click on download over here, you need to click on download again and your video will download. Once your video is downloaded and saved on your PC, go on your browser and search for change video speed online video cutter. Now once you search for this change video speed online video cutter, click on the first option. Now once you click on the first option, it's going to bring you over here, and this is the website you want to come to, 123 apps. Over here, click on open file and choose the file which you just downloaded. So my video is going to be around over here, so I'm going to drag it from here. So this is the video. Once I drag and drop it, now my video is over here. Now if I want to change the speed of it, if you go over here, your video is going to be more slow. If you go towards over here, your video is going to be fast. So the more fast you want, the more over here you go. The more slow you want, the more over here you go. So I want fast, so I'm going to go here. After I do that, I can click on save. And it's going to start to speed up my videos. It's going to take a bit of time, so wait for some time now. And once it's done, click on save. And your video will start to download and your speed up video is going to be downloaded. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can speed up a video on Canva. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.